Hi friend, welcome to CAD for Pro. In this video, we will see some introduction to the SolidWorks, some feature of SolidWorks, and if you are beginner, so this video will help you. So let's start. This is the SolidWorks option. This is the window, how it's look like when you open first time. This is the SolidWorks logo. This is the file option. There is a you can create new file or open previous one. This is the option which you recently used. This is the view option. This is the toolbar. You can get all the necessary tool here. This is the tool option, and this is the help. If you want to create new one, just simply click here and just click on anyone. Just like if you want to draw, make a part, you just click here and OK. And if you want to assemble, just click OK. And if you want to draw, just click here and OK. This is the open. If you have previous file, just open or browse recent document. This is the save option, print, undo, select option, rebuild option, and setting options. And this is the file properties option. And this is the search bar for the SolidWorks. You can search, just like if you want to search command, you can search here for SolidWorks product, SolidWorks help. If you want some help, you just click here and type about your problem. Just like mostly it's used for the command, searching for the command, because SolidWorks have lots of commands. And this is the task plan. You can do lots of things, just like if you want to give some appearance to your product, or view palette, file option, file explorer, open file directly here, etc. So let's start. We will make some basic object in SolidWorks. So just go to new option, or you can just do Control plus N. Let's make a part. Just I click on the part and OK. I am on the part mode. Here you can see the part name. I am not saved that part yet. So this is the toolbar. You will get all the necessary tool here, like a surfacing tool, sketch tool, all the necessary sketch related tool, like a line, circle, spline, rectangle, arc, and etc, etc. Convert entities, all these are options are here. Surfacing, sheet metal, weldment, evaluate, data migration, etc. If some tools is not appear here, just simply right click and you can choose from here, just like a mold tool. I don't have mold tool, and yes, you will get mold tool here on the mold tool. I don't need mold tool now, so just uncheck to that. Okay, so this is the feature manager toolbar, feature manager tree. Here you can get three major planes, just like front, top, and right plane. You can perform option on here, just like, and once you click on the plane, you will see the option, just like if you want to sketch or hide or zoom the section or normal tool, you will get option. Simply on check, just you one click. I have to sketch, so I am make a sketch. Yes. I'll make a rectangle, center point rectangle, stick here and drag anywhere. This is the rectangle, but I have to define it, so I'm going to smart dimension and give the dimension give the dimension 80 mm. You can change the dimension option if you want to give dimension in centimeter or meter or in inch. So just simply go to here, choice type of your dimension, just like meter, kilogram, mm, mks, cgs, mmgs or ips. I'm using customer, just like custom millimeter, gram, second, and you just simply check to that. So you can see here, this line is blue and this line is black. That means this line is fully defined and this line is still not defined. So I'm going to smart dimension and make it 50. Yeah, so you can see here all the lines are turned blue to black. That means our sketch is fully defined. So you can't so this now I have to extrude this option. So I'm going here and just simply uncheck. In that feature I will use boss extrude and selecting sketch. In boss extrude you will get lots of options, just like from, if we will see later, each and every step we will see later. And just into mid plane and make it as a 50. So this is, yeah, this is the 50, mid plane 50, and just okay. This is the simple block of 50 by 80 by 80. So this is option. You just, if you want to zoom, just scroll to it. If you want to zoom here, okay. So this is the feature. This is the feature bar. You will extrude the body, revolve, sweep, loft, extrude cut option, whole wizard, revolve cut option, sweep, loft, boundary, etc. This is the fillet option. This is the line pattern option. We will see each and every option in detail in previous video, in upcoming video. And this is the sketch tool, this surfacing tool, sheet metal, weldment. All these are the different tool in SolidWorks. This is the evaluate tool. If you want to measure the if you want to measure this distance between this face to this face, just simply go to measure, select this face and select this face. You will get the distance directly, distance of 80. If you want to calculate the area of this face, just simply click on that face and you will get the area 1500 centimeter square, millimeter square, and the parameter of 200. So this is the toolbar option. This is the measure option in evaluate. Okay, this is the zoom option. This is fit to zoom. If you lost your object, just simply click on zoom to fit. This is the zoom area. If you want to zoom this area, just drag that option and it will look like this is the previous view. Just like this is my view. And if I drag here and if I want to see my previous view, now this is a cool feature. This is the section view. If you want to make a section, you just simply select the plane and you will see the inside section. If you want to customize it, you can customize it from here. It's like again this type of option. Once you are on your correct page, just simply press. You can see the sections just like that. And if you come out from the section, just simply click here. There is the different view options, like if you want to front view, top view, right view, bottom view, left hand side, back view, etc. all are there. And this is the normal option. This is the normal. It's like I have to display normal. So simply I select this face and normal. So this will normal to my screen. This is a different type of view. Just like if you want to shaded view, I can see the difference. I can see the difference. This is the shaded with the edge. You can see the edges over here and here. And just shaded view, simply shaded view. And if I want wireframe, then you can, yes, if I want to see in wire, you can see here. It's look like, yeah, you can see the dotted line. That means these lines are behind the screen. It's normally, and this is some hide or the show options. You can show the plane axis, different plane, hide and show primary, view coordinate system, datum reference plane, etc. You can see there are lots of things are here. You can give appearance to the object. Yeah, if I want this plane as blue, select this face and then turn blue. If I want to change color, I can change here like that. Anyway, and simply okay. Yeah, you can see. If you want shadow, you just go to here and choose the shadow will appear. Yes, you can see the shadow. This is the shadow. Yeah, this is the perspective views. You can see the difference. You can see the difference. This is the normal view, this is the perspective view. Okay, the dimension is changed from, just like it's real 3D. The dimension of this point to this point is not same as this point to this point. Just okay. So this is the part, and if I want to save it, just go to here and save. You can save anywhere. You type any name that you want and simply save. Simply just save it. So let's make a simple hood here. For that, I will select one face, and once I select this face, I will get little window here where you can see all the necessary tools. Just like if you want to edit sketch, you can edit here. If you want to create new sketch, you can create here. If you want to hide this plane, just say hide. So all the body is hide. Control that. So I select, I have to sketch here, and I will make hole I want here hole of diameter 25. Type 25 and it will go to feature and extrude cut. You blind. And if you want some distance, you can type here. Like I have typed 20 mm. So it will show the preview. This yellow line show the last surface 20 mm surface from the upper one. You can see this is the 20 mm depth. Go to measure phase 1, phase 2. Yes, you can see this. This is the purple color 20 mm distance. This is the dx 12.5 mm. Actually, this is the radius. So this is the introduction part. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.